In this video, I will show you how to contact the Shopify support. Now, this is pretty easy and done within a few minutes. So let's get started. First, let's go to shopify.com and then go to resources. All right, here you see help and support. So you can go to the Shopify Help Center, and this is the AI chatbot. So as you can see, hello, I am your virtual help center assistant. I can help you find the information you need or connect you with our support team. So first you need to log in into your Shopify account. But first, before you ask this bot a question, you can first read through all of this information and find an answer. Hopefully find an answer. Just Shopify also offers a lot of guides. So for example, basically everything you want, the cheapest way to ship packages, etc., etc. A lot of information. They even have an academy, how to level up as a partner, using the Shopify platform, developing in Shopify. And we also have the e-commerce marketing blog, as you can see. They have a lot of information, but basically how to contact them is by logging into your Shopify account, then go to help.shopify.com, and then you see the screen, so you can ask this AI bot a question, and if the AI cannot help you, they will contact you. They will basically send you through a real person, which hopefully can help you. So that is basically it. That's how you can contact the Shopify support. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.